Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to add keyframe on CapCut application. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and start your new project. Here I will let you use this for the examples to you. So how to add the keyframes, first thing you have to do now is just go make sure that you already stop in the point that you want to add the keyframes to. For example, in this beginning here. And after that, you just need to go click the clip. When you click the clip, there will be pop up here a keyframe symbols, which is this part. Just need to click it. And after that, you just need to bring the straight lines into the positions that you want to stop the keyframe. For example, this one. And after that, just add the keyframes. And in this last stop, what do you want to do? For example, if you want to zoom it in, so you just need to zoom it. There. So that those will be bring from the beginning into the end of the keyframe, there will be a movement. You see? Okay, so the next keyframe, it will be stop if you don't add any movement again. So to add another keyframe, just stop in the specific points and add the keyframes again. And after that, do something with the video. Okay, and have a check of. Okay, just do the same until you find the end result that you want. Let's take a result. So the video is moving, following the object that you already choose on the keyframe. So that's the way how to add a keyframe on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.